Warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh. Hi everyone. Have you ever felt the challenges in front of you are just too big or your goals are out of reach? Then today I want to challenge that thought. I want to start with a simple thought that most of us underestimate ourselves far more than we realize. We look at challenges, at goals, at obstacles, and we quietly tell ourselves, I can't do that. That's beyond me. That's for someone smarter, more talented than I. And in doing so, we put invisible chains around our potential. But here's the truth I want you to take away today. You are more capable than you think. First of all, think about a time when you face something scary. It may be a test, a job interview, a performance, or even a personal struggle. At first, you probably may doubt yourself. You may feel fear, hesitation, and the urge to quit before you begin. But once you step into that moment, once you push forward despite the doubt, you realize something powerful. You could handle it, you could rise to it, you could do more than you thought possible. Do you know, the mind has a way of tricking us into playing small. It highlights our weakness and it whispers our failure louder than our strength. But capacity is not measured by how confident you feel. It's measured by how much you are willing to try, to learn, and to grow. Let me give an example. Consider a child learning to walk. They fall over and over again. But do they stop? No, because in their mind, walking is not impossible. It's just inevitable. They don't know their limits, so they just keep getting up until they succeed. That's the same spirit inside you, all of you. Even if life has buried it under years of self-doubt. The problem is not that you are incapable. The problem is that you have convinced yourself that you are incapable. And that belief shapes your choices. And if you believe you can't, you won't even try. But if you believe you would, you will take the first step. And once you take the first step, you discover strength that you don't know was there. And here comes the amazing part. Capability grows more you use it. When you face challenges, when you dare to push your limits, you don't just prove yourself once, but you expand what you are capable of forever. Each time when you face anything, you could do it. And also, each time when you overcome something that you couldn't, you reset the definition of yourself, what's possible for you. Yes, I want you to imagine 1 year from now, 5 years from now, 10 years from now. If you stop underestimating yourself and if you stop holding back out of fear, where could you be? What could you achieve? Who could you become? The gap between where you are and where you want to be is not as wide as you think. And it's not built from a lack of talent, intelligence, or opportunity. Most often from the self-doubt. And the self-doubt crumbles the moment you decide to act in spite of it. So, the next time, when your mind tells, I can't do that, just pause and remember, that's not the truth. That's just fear talking. Because you guys have already survived every challenges that life had thrown at you so far. And also, you could do more than you thought possible. Then, till now, you have proven resilience, strength, and creativity. Then, why should be this challenge any different? You can do it. Let me give a message. The most important battles are not fought in the world around you, but in the world within you. The battle between I can't and I will. Just choose I will and go forward. As we come to an end, I want you guys to remember one thing. Every challenge you face is not a barrier. It's an opportunity to discover just how capable you are. Dears, do you know you are smarter, stronger, and more resilient than you realize? So, please go forward, embrace your abilities, and show the world you are capable of far more than even you imagined yourself. And that's all. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum.